Hello, and welcome to this ReachOwl tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a webhook integration to supercharge your outreach. First, ensure you're logged into your ReachOwl account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings option. You'll typically find this in the top menu or sidebar of your ReachOwl dashboard. Within your settings, look for the Integration option. This is where you'll manage all your integrations, including webhooks. Now, it's time to create a new webhook integration. Locate and click on the Add a Webhook Integration button. This will initiate the process of connecting ReachOwl to an external service. Paste your webhook URL in the designated box. If you're testing your webhook, you can use a webhook test site for this step. Choose the specific event that will trigger your webhook. In this example, let's say you want your webhook to be activated when a friend request is sent. Scroll down and select Send a Friend Request as your event. Click on the Subscribe Webhook button. This action confirms your webhook integration and sets the stage for data to flow. Now that you've added and subscribed to your webhook integration, it's time to put it to the test. When an event happens on the trigger application, it serializes data about that event and sends it to a webhook URL from the action application. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy learning.